How to delete Snapchat chats after viewing. Now, in this pretty quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change deleted messages on your Snapchat account. Of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to open up the application. So let's just look for Snapchat right here. Now, take note that these specific settings that we're trying to change right now is actually built in from Snapchat. It will always be deleted, but we can actually change the time. So next is to access your messages tab. And then all you have to do from here is to look for that specific conversation or chat that you would like the settings to be changed. So for example, this one right here, Team Snapchat. All you have to do to access settings in that conversation is just to simply tap and hold on the current chat. You should see these options here. What you want to have to do next is to choose on chat and notification settings. Then as you can see, if you tap on delete chats, you should be able to change it after viewing, or 24 hours after viewing, or 7 days after viewing. And that's basically it. That's the most convenient way for you to delete Snapchat chats after viewing.